Susan B. Anthony from the American
Equal Rights Association. I know, I taught history. Can whatever this is wait? I gotta start the rally.
No, we women have been waiting for 150 years. We need to get rid of rally girls. We do everything for the football team and get nothing in return. It's like we're their servants.
I don't know, it is a time-honored tradition.
Sophie, you were right. Being a rally girl is the worst. Especially when you have a mild allergy to glitter.
But it's tradition, Troy.
Tradition my paper-cut hands? Look, the fact that you guys put so much effort into this and get nothing in return is just wrong.
Troy, are you crying?
No. I got glitter all up in my eye.
You see, Mr. Davis, even Troy thinks it's wrong.
And he is easily our most selfish player.
That's what I'm saying.
You know, I think I have a solution. Good evening, everyone. Let's give it up for Rally Week. All right, now, before we cheer on our Bulldogs, I would like to announce a new tradition. Rally Boys. Starting Monday, the football team will spend the week rallying the cheerleaders.
What? I cannot go through this torture again. I have glitter in places that should never be sparkly.
Hey, this is a dream come true. Put on your life jacket, boys, because we're about to go overboard. To the yarn barn!
She does know we're right in the middle of a pep rally, right?
I don't know.